Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. Today, I am with you with a new chapter, and the chapter of English grammar is noun and its types or its kinds. Noun and its kinds. So today, I will describe about the noun and its types. First of all, we take an example. Runisarpur is a big village. A tiger roars in the forest. Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, I have given you some examples, and in some examples there are the name of persons, places, and things. So, for identification of noun, you know very well the name of everything that are around you. You know the name of a person, of a place, of a thing, of an animal. You feel your idea. Those all things have their own name, and by names they are known, and their known names are called nouns. Okay, so you can say a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, and idea. So first of all, I write the definition of noun. Okay, so what is a noun? My question is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, and idea. Okay. Example: Patna is the capital of Bihar. Okay. So Patna, capital, Bihar. They are nouns and they are symbolized by N. So the tiger roars in the forest. In the forest, the word forest, the word tiger, these two words are nouns. Okay, so you can say we feel air. We feel air. The word air is also a noun. Okay, so you can say a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, and idea. Okay, but those all nouns are categorized in different ways. Okay, those nouns are categorized with different names. I write their types of different. Example, so you can say there are 5 types of nouns. Types of nouns. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Okay. Fourth, material noun. And fifth is abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun. So these are the types of nouns. So you can read proper noun first, common noun second, collective noun third, fourth material noun, and the last one is abstract noun. Okay, but today I will describe only about proper noun. Okay, so what is a proper noun? In your family, your member of your family calls you with your name. You imagine if your name is Mr. Mohan, so your father calls you, Mohan, come here. When your father calls you with the name your Mohan, all your members don't come in front of you, right? Only you go, because you are the particular name of your family member, right? If you say Delhi is the capital of India, Delhi is the capital of India. There are so many countries in the world, and those all countries have their own capitals. But when I say Delhi is the capital of India, Delhi is the particular place, Delhi is the particular capital, right? The capital of India. So when we say Delhi, India, these two words are particular. So we can say these are proper nouns, because Delhi and capital are not the name of other countries or other capitals. So you can say a proper noun. What is a proper noun? So a proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal and thing. Example, person. Okay, Ram killed Ravana. Ram killed Ravana. In this sentence, Ram and Ravana are the name of two persons. So Ram and Ravana are proper noun. Place. Motion is a village. Okay, so motion is a proper noun, right? Village is also a noun, but it is not proper, because village has a name motion, right? Motion has no name village. So there is a slight difference between proper and common noun, that a common noun has its own name, but a proper noun is not a common. Okay, so you can say motion is the name of a place. Animal. Okay, the cow of Ram gives milk. Okay, so the cow of Ram, the animal that is related to Ram, is a particular animal. So this word is particular, and that is a proper noun. Okay, so things, if you take an example like thing, so I use Lux soap. Lux is the name of a particular brand, that name is a soap. Okay, so Lux soap is a proper noun. Okay, proper noun. Similarly, कहने का मतलब है बेटा कि जो नाउन खास होता है, चाहे पर्सन का हो, प्लेस का हो, एनिमल का हो, थिंग का हो, वो हमारा पार्टिकुलर होता है, और पार्टिकुलर होते ही वह खास हो जाता है। आपकी क्लास में आपके सर रोल कॉल जब बोलते हैं, तो उसमें प्रत्येक बच्चे का नाम लेकर के बोलते हैं। तो जिन बच्चों का नाम लिया जाता है, वे बच्चे ही सिर्फ स्टैंड होते हैं। वे सारे बच्चे खड़े नहीं होते। वे सारे बच्चे इसलिए नहीं खड़े होते क्योंकि उस नाम का सिर्फ वो बच्चा है जिसका नाम बोला गया है। इसी प्रकार से जो भी नेम है के प्रॉपर, वो सबके सब प्रॉपर नाउन के अंतर्गत आ जाता है। प्रॉपर नेम में सिर्फ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल नहीं, बल्कि हमारा डेज नेम है, मंथ्स नेम है, जो भी इस प्रकार से। ये तो मामूली एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने आपको दिया, इस प्रकार से हम उसको जानें। दूसरी चीज़ कि प्रॉपर नाउन की एक स्पेशल विशेषता है कि वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से लिखा जाता है। ओके, सो यू कैन से प्रॉपर नाउन इज written always with capital letter, whether it is in the middle of a sentence or in the beginning of a sentence, it's no matter। यह कोई मायने नहीं रखता कि वह वर्ड सेंटेंस के बीच में है या सेंटेंस के शुरू में है। प्रॉपर नाउन जब कभी भी लिखा जाएगा तो कैपिटल लेटर से ही लिखा जाएगा और इसलिए वह प्रॉपर नाउन है। तो मुझे आशा है कि आज की वीडियो में आपने प्रॉपर नाउन के विषय में जानकारी लिया होगा। अगले वीडियो में मैं रिमेनिंग जो भी टाइप्स ऑफ हमारा नाउन्स हैं इन पर हम चर्चा करेंगे। आप अपने ग्रामर बुक से इसको अच्छी तरह से अध्ययन करेंगे और इस पर बेस्ड जो क्वेश्चंस आपके बुक में दिए हुए हैं उनको आप रिमेंबर करें, उनको सॉल्व करें और जब कभी भी इस प्रकार की कोई प्रॉब्लम लगे कि मुझसे नहीं बना जा रहा है तो आप मुझसे बात करें, उसके समाधान हम करेंगे। टिल देन गुड बाय।